What's up, y'all? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video, it's another in the making vlog. First of all, yes, this is the face of exhaustion. I'm going on a vacation it's a little family vacation. It's been planned pre-COVID. It's been planned since last year, so we're going, by the grace of God, we're going. And it's also going to be going on around Christmas and my birthday. And you guys know every year I like to take birthday pictures. I like to make me an outfit. This time I want to make a jumpsuit, and I have 10 days to do that. We leave on December 22nd. Today is the 9th and I graduate on the 17th. So I have to make sure I'm out of that school. I have all my stuff. I'm ready. So a lot is going on, but I have faith in myself. I have done things on a bigger time crunch than this. So I believe I can get it done. Like 10 days is more than enough, because I can literally get this done in one day if I wanted to. So yeah, we're just going to knock this out real quick. You know, your girl's got this. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the process of me doing this. The fabric store only had a little bit of this fabric, so your girl's rocking with what she has. It's going to be a white, you know, cream type of suede. I already made some nails to go with it. My toes are done. I know what type of hair I'm gonna be doing. I'm so happy that you've tuned in for another in the making vlog. If you guys are not tapped into these vlogs, I don't know what you're doing. I'm telling y'all seeing the process of me leading to something big. Just stay tuned. I see the vision. All the rambling, that's how you know I'm really tired. Let's just tap into this, okay? What you're gonna need is some fabric if you want to follow, you know, I'm about to say this recipe. If you want to follow this tutorial with me, I got like 1.5 yards of fabric, some thread, a zipper, sewing machine. Okay, that's basically it. Let's just get into this. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so right now I just have my fabric folded over, and I kind of like the edges on this fabric, so I'm going to try to preserve that as much as possible. I have a pair of pants that are not in here. Let me go grab them, that I'm going to be using to cut out. So that's what you're going to be seeing me do. I'm going to cut out the pants first and then start on the top. If I can at least get the pieces cut out today. I mean tonight. It is 6:15. Oh, and it's also December 10th. So Alright y'all, so I am officially done for the night. So it's been a couple of hours. I started at 6 and I've just been cutting every single little piece out. I stopped and ate dinner for an hour. So it really didn't take me that long, thank God. So by tomorrow I can start sewing it all together. I told you this would literally take me no time. But with this, I really want to make sure that it's made really well and it almost looks tailored. So I'm going to try to do more finishing work and more hand stitching and all that. So now it is just the sewing, and I'm at the mercy of my sewing machine. So I'm praying that God gives me favor with that, because I don't want any struggles with the sewing process. It is 10 o'clock even, so I'm about to head to bed for the night, and then we're going to start over again tomorrow after school. So I'm going to see you then. Alright you guys, so it is 2 days later and your girl is back at it. So I realized that I forgot a very fundamental part of the outfit, which are the stomach cutouts. So that's what I'm about to cut out right now. It's just supposed to be some little half circles right here. Nothing too much, not too much cut out, just enough. So right now I already have it pinned together, and I low-key think I just want to cut it like this, but it's all about placement. So I think I'm gonna cut one side and then flip it over and cut the other. For this, I definitely want to use my little, I think this is called a rotary cutter, the little circular cutter thingy. Alright y'all, so I am back. I have been doing a little bit of sewing without y'all, my bad. But I have hemmed everything up, so now I'm just about to connect the shirt pieces. I did already put the bottoms together, and they actually look really good. So now it's time for the top. So I took the little turtleneck piece off just so I can clearly see what I'm doing. Like, I hemmed all my little cutouts and everything. Now I'm going to connect the little overhang part, or whatever we want to call it. I'm about to connect that. Alright you guys, so we have made it to the end of this video. As you can see, I'm in a new little area. I've newly renovated my workspace. Now that I'm out of school, this will serve as my office, my workshop, my studio, a little bit of everything. So if you guys would like a office, workspace, workshop, studio tour, let me know, because I can definitely do that for you guys. But for what you came for, I'm going to get into this outfit. Okay, we're going to talk about this outfit a little bit. As you can see from the thumbnail, I'm really so proud of myself. I feel like this was a great design to end 2020 off with, because it really shows how much my talent has grown. And the fact that I did this without a pattern, I didn't even make my own pattern. I literally just thought up the design, drew it, and just went for it and started sewing, and It really looks nice. It looks well made. Like all the stitches are good. I'm just really proud of this design. The only things I had trouble with were my sewing machine. There wasn't anything that I struggled with personally, like any techniques I couldn't get. It was really just my sewing machine started tripping at the end, but I was able to borrow my grandmother's and she gave me a little bit of help on the sewing machine side. So just seeing how well the zipper blends in, it looks so nice. The seams are very strong. The turtleneck is really nice. This is my first time ever doing a turtleneck and I think it came out super nice. I love it. The pants fit me great. They fit me like a glove. Using those pants that I used, you know, as a guide to cut these out, that was a great decision. And I love that I kept the hems frayed. One thing about design is when you're looking at your fabric, it's so important to see what makes that fabric unique. How can you utilize it and make it different? And I was like, let me not do a regular hem, let me just leave this. And I think that was such a beautiful accent in the whole design. The pants fit me so well. I don't think I would change anything about them. The shirt was really nice. If I would change anything about the shirt, I just would have wanted to maybe make that area a little bit tighter. But if I want to make it tighter, I would have had to get a zipper that, you know, opens up all the way, because this zipper, I didn't get like a jacket zipper, which is what I feel like I should have gotten. So it stops right here. So this had to be able to come over my butt, so it couldn't be too much tighter, but I feel like it worked really well. I'm happy that I didn't cut too much for the stomach circles. Like I wouldn't have wanted any more stomach area showing than what was showing. I loved this little piece also. Like it did it for me. And one thing I didn't get to show you was that on the sides right here, like underneath my arm, I added this little piece right here that blends so well. So proud of that. I added that to where I could wear a bra with the outfit, because things like that is how I make my designs different. I'm all about comfortability, ease of wearing. I'm the type of girl that loves to wear a bra. I do not like not wearing a bra with my garments. It just helps to accentuate the outfit. So I feel like that was a real situation where I was just thinking on my toes and being innovative to create what I needed to create. So I wanted to create this video on this day and put it out on this day so you guys know more in the making vlogs are coming in 2021. I want to get into the fashion game. I want to start working on, you know, more fashion by Maja, working on some pieces, getting that out to the masses. I want to establish myself as a fashion designer this year, and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Everything by Maja so you can see what's going on, get some behind the scenes footage of the in the making vlogs. Like that's what I do on my Instagram. I'm just ready for whatever God has planned for me and my brand this year. So just stay tuned for these vlogs. Stay tuned for my channel. I will be seeing you guys next Monday with some information about where my channel is going, where I feel God is leading it. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna holler at you guys then. Okay, every time I come over here trying to record, there's something outside cutting up. Hold on.